If you are watching this video, then you might have gotten this URL from my resume. In this, I'm going to tell you about the hybrid framework that I have written. The hybrid framework, it is just data driven as well as keyword driven approaches. It's a merger of both of them. In in the next video, you will see how I have created a hybrid framework with page object model. In this, I am not using page object model, but before anything, I'm going to show you the application under test. This is a sample banking application. If you click on bank manager login, you can add customers. Let's assume your customer name is Shiv Sahil and post code is 160014. I'm going to click on add customer. It is going to give me a alert. When I'm going to write some test cases, what I'm going to do, I'm going to verify that this alert is coming. This is I'm again going to input data. In this, I'm going to give Sahil Guleri postcode 170063 at customer. Again, I'm getting a alert saying that you were able to add a customer. Next thing is I'm going to open the account. As you can see that we already have these sample uh, customer names from Harry Potter universe, I guess. And these two I have just created. I'm going to click on this one and provide a currency in rupee. For ship style, it's going to be rupee. I'm going to click on process and I'm going to get a verification pop-up, not verification, pop-up saying that your account has been opened. I'm going to click on home, followed by clicking on customer login. Here again we have bunch of sample customers. I'm going to click on this shape side, click on login, and it says that yeah, that this is my bank account number, this is my balance, and currency is rupees. As you might have remembered that I have given the currency in rupees, and we all are also getting these options of transactions, deposit, and withdrawal. I'm going to click on logout button and try to log into this one. We had created this customer, but we haven't opened the account for this particular customer. I'm going to click on login, and we got a message saying that you need to open an account with us. Everything looks good and fine over here. In my previous customer, I'm going to make a verification that we are getting either of these buttons, just to make sure that when we have opened the account, then we are able to see these buttons. In case of Singularity, we are unable to see any of these buttons. Let's see if I have any other things to cover up. Yeah, let's talk about some of the dependencies that we have. I'm going to click on home button. As you can see that this home button is kind of common across all the web pages. So I'm going to click on now bank manager login. As you might have remembered that we had inputted some of the data over here, and only after we have added the customer, those get available over here. So there is a dependency over here. It means that this, if this test case fails somehow, then the test case that I have written for it should not run. It should skip. So I have written some code for my extent report such that if this test case fails, then we are not going to see anything over, we are not going to run this particular test case. The same goes for here. If this test case is failing, then I have made sure that we are unable to test this functionality. We should skip testing this functionality. Let's see, anything else that I'm missing? Yeah, uh, that's it for AUT.